Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, cargo mat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.